Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Talat की कक्षा। In last video we have learned about root system and shoot system, and in shoot system we have learned about the stem. Please watch that video also. The link is given in description box and in I button also. Leaves are called the food factory of the plant. It is a green and flattened structure that arises from the nodes of the stem and its branches. Structure of a leaf. A typical leaf consists of different parts: lamina, petiole, leaf blade, midrib and veins. Lamina. The green, flat and expanded part of the leaf is called lamina. It is also called leaf blade. Petiole. It is the leaf stalk. It connects the leaf blade with the leaf base. Leaf with petiole is called stalked leaf, while leaves without petiole are called sessile leaves. What is leaf base? A leaf is attached to the stem with its leaf base. Midrib and veins. The thick vein in the middle of the leaf is called midrib. The lateral branches arising from the veins are called veins. Leaf venation. The arrangement of veins in leaf is called leaf venation. There are mainly two types of venation, parallel and reticulate. The veins in plants with fibrous roots are mostly parallel to each other along the length of leaf. This is called parallel venation. Leaves with parallel venation includes banana, grass, bamboo, sugarcane, cereals, etc. In plants that have taproots, that leaf has a main vein running through the center and it gives rise to several small ventlets that form a net-like pattern. This is called reticulate venation. Leaves with reticulate venation includes peepal, mango, china rose, mustard, lemon, hibiscus, etc. Types of leaf. There are two types of leaf: simple leaf and compound leaf. A simple leaf has undivided lamina. Mango, peepal and banana are examples of simple leaf. While in compound leaf, the lamina of leaf is divided because of incisions of lamina reach up to the midrib. Nib, clove are examples of compound leaf. Function of leaf. Leaves are green in color due to the presence of a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is very important for the process of photosynthesis. Leaves make food in the presence of sunlight with the help of water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. The extra glucose is converted to starch and is stored for further use in various parts of plants like fruits, roots, stems or leaves. Transpiration. It is the loss of water in the form of water vapor from the leaves of plants through their tiny pores called stomata. This process helps in cooling the leaves. Respiration. Plants breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide with the help of stomata present in their leaves. Modification of leaf. For support, in some plants, either the entire leaf or some part of leaf is modified to form a spring-like structure called tendrils. In cactus, leaves are modified to form spines. This reduces loss of water from the leaves. Spines also protect the plant from being eaten by animals. For storage food, leaves of some plants are store extra food in leaves. For multiplication, leaves of Bryophyllum and Begonia have buds that can grow into new plants. For trapping insects, in some plants, leaves are modified into pitchers to trap insects. These plants are called insectivorous plants. These plants grow in soil deficient in nitrogen. Flowers are the most attractive and beautiful part of a plant. It is also the reproductive organ of a plant. Flowers may be present singly or in groups on a stem. A group of flowers formed together on a stalk is called an inflorescence. Structure of flower. A stalk of flower is called the pedicel. The upper part of the pedicel is swollen and is known as thalamus. Sepals and petals. The outermost part consists of green leaf-like structure called sepals. The whorl formed by sepals is called calyx. Petals are the part that occurs inside the sepals. Petals are usually in bright colors or scented to attract insects that helps in pollination. The whorl formed by petals is called corolla. Stamens. Stamens are the male reproductive organ of a flower, which can be clearly seen by removing some petals. Stamens are collectively called the androecium. Each stamen consists of a long narrow filament with a bilobed sac-like structure called anther. The anther contains pollen grains, which are fine dust-like particles. Pollen grains take part in reproduction. Pistil or carpel. The carpel or pistil is the female reproductive part of a flower. Carpels form the innermost wall of the flower, also called gynoecium. It is flask-shaped structure present in the center of the flower. The base is slightly swollen, is called the ovary. The ovary contains tiny rounded structure called ovules, which later develops into seeds. The short tube-like upper part is the style and above it is the stigma. In most plants, all the whorls, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium are present in a flower. These type of flowers are called complete flowers. Hibiscus, gulmohar, mustard and pea flower are the example of complete flowers. In some flower, one or more whorls are missing. Such flowers are called incomplete flowers. Date, palm and mulberry are example of incomplete flowers. Aestivation. The arrangement of flower parts on the thalamus is called aestivation. Aestivation is different in different plants. Pollination. Pollination is the process of transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma. Wind, water and animals help pollen grains to falling from anther onto stigma. These are called pollination agents. If pollen fall on the stigma of same flower, then it is called self-pollination. And if pollens fall on the stigma of another flower, then it is called cross-pollination. If you find this video useful and interesting, please like this video, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.